What is cover block? The cover block is the spacer between the reinforcement matrix and the outer surface of the concrete. In order to prevent corrosion of the rebar, it needs to be fully encased in concrete. By code, it usually needs about 2 to 3 inches of coverage on all sides. कवर ब्लॉक कंक्रीट के अलग अलग आकार के ब्लॉक होते हैं जो कि कंक्रीट की बाहरी सतह और सरिया के बीच स्पेसर का काम करते हैं। ये सरिया के क्षरण को रोकने के लिए उपयोग किए जाते हैं। कास्टिंग के दौरान सरिया को पूरी तरह से कंक्रीट में बंद करने की आवश्यकता होती है। कोड के अनुसार आमतौर पर सरिया को सभी तरफ लगभग 2 से 3 इंच कवरेज की आवश्यकता होती है। There are different type of cover blocks are used based on type of material. 1. Cement masonry cover block. 2. PCC concrete cover block. 3. RCC concrete cover block. 4. PVC cover block. 5. Stone cover block. 6. Steel cover block. 7. Aluminum cover block. 8. Wooden cover block. Size of cover blocks for structural members. 1. Footings equals 50 mm. 2. Raft foundation top equals 50 mm. 3. Raft foundation bottom equals 75 mm. 4. Strap beam equals 50 mm. 5. Beam equals 25 mm. 6. Grade slab equals 20 mm. 7. Slab equals 15 mm. 8. Flat slab equals 20 mm. 9. Column equals 40 mm. 10. Shear wall equals 25 mm. 11. Staircase equals 15 mm. 12. Retaining wall equals 20 mm to 25 mm. 13. Water retaining structure equals 20 mm to 30 mm. 14. Sunshade equals 25 mm. Important points for cover block. The cover must be the same grade of concrete that you're using in the building component. For slab reinforcement, 4 cover blocks should be used per square meter. For beams or column, 12 cover blocks should be used together all 4 sides. Thus the use of cover block gives higher life to the structure at a very low cost. What is chair reinforcement or chair bar? Chair reinforcement or simply chair bars are small structural elements used to properly place reinforcement bars in position and maintain the proper space between the top and bottom reinforcements. The chair bars are used at 1 meter distance to each other. Weight of steel bar in kilogram per meter equals D square guna L upon 162. Weight of steel bar in kilogram per feet equals D square guna L upon 533. What are dowel bars? Dowel bars are short steel bars that are installed in concrete slabs to provide a mechanical connection that doesn't restrict horizontal joint movement. They are designed to reduce joint deflection and stress in the approach and leave slab. Lapping length for column, beam और slab. 1. Column 45D से 50D. 2. Beam 60D. 3. Slab 60D. Different types of overlapping, lapping, coupling, welding,